Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. A look at the top stories. NCP MLAs meet Sharad Pawar in Pune. Complain of interference from Congress in NCP-ruled constituencies. Interference in each other's constituencies worsen situation within ruling coalition. MLAs tell each other, "Don't mess with me." Director of Higher Education Bhaskar Naik asked teachers to remain vigilant to curb activities like drugs in campus. 12th Standard Board examinations commence. Nearly 13,756 students appear in 13 centres across the state. Psychiatrists advise not to pressurize child for maximum marks. Interaction only way to sort out suicide issues. And government is keen to transfer Goa into sports tourism destination, says Sports Authority of Goa's Executive Director VM Prabhudesai. And now the news in detail. NCP MLAs on Saturday met NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar at Pune. NCP legislators explained Pawar about interference of Congress in NCP-ruled constituencies. Sharad Pawar has asked NCP legislators to hold discussion with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and sort out the issue. They will hold meeting with Kamath once they reach Goa.
After a stormy cabinet meeting held on Friday, NCP legislators met NCP Chief Sharad Pawar in Pune. NCP members explained the current political situation to their high command. NCP also pointed out Congress interference in NCP constituencies. Pawar has asked NCP MLAs to discuss the issues with Chief Minister Kamath and sort out the differences. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye for Prudent Media.
Zila Panchayat elections have ruffled many feathers within the ruling arrangement. Many of the members within ruling coalition have infiltrated into each other's constituencies. These internal fights can prove disastrous for the government.
Group 7 success in Jilla Panchayat election has increased the bargaining power of G7. In recent Jilla Panchayat election, Group 7 penetrated Congress constituencies. Mickey has disturbed Alex. Vishwajit has disturbed Ravi, whereas Jose Philip is disturbed by Movin. These were the issues which resulted into bitter verbal duel in the cabinet meeting on Friday. Joki Alemao was the hero of Friday's tussle. He welcomed anyone and everyone in his constituency, but cautioned them not to spread roots.
My constituency, people of Hunkoling constituency knows what is Joki Alemao. I am not bothered about my constituency, anybody come. I am not bothered. Anybody come and they can come here. Nobody will have chance to come in my constituency. I am not bothered. This I am talking about generally. See, they were talking about NCP had given, Congress had given a statement against NCP. I'm saying they are the first people, NCP, targeting Congress. They are coming locally. They are coming different constituency. I'm not bothered about my constituency. Let them come, I welcome them.
Although Mickey has upset Alex in his constituency, Alex is handling the issue in his own style, unbothered.
With any ministers of other parties getting involved, it has affected anything of us. I don't think it is of any fear. Because I know one thing for sure. Today's Nuvai constituency is a Congress constituency. Therefore, there is nothing to be bothered about.
So, no effect?
No, I said I don't think there is anything to worry about.
Panchayat Minister Babu Asgaonkar is little bit worried about the recent political developments. He wants to settle the issue as soon as possible to avoid further damage to the Congress party.
काल जे उलोप जाला तेजे भितरल्यान मनांतल्यान भायर सरलेले आसा. जुजे फिलीप म्हणटा की आपले भितर काँग्रेस इंटरफियर जाता. हे सायडीन अलेक्स तिकेट म्हणटा की आपले भितर राष्ट्रीय काँग्रेस इंटरफियर जाता. हे जावपाक जायना. आनी हेजे भितर आमचो लिडर दिगंबर कामत हो सगळ्या बाबतींत आयकून घेवन प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपी मनीस. तेजे खातीर जे हे चल्लां ते बेगीन बंद करचें, नाल्यार जो परिणाम वायट बी जावंक शकता. म्हणून जाता तितलें लक्ष सेंट्रलांनी घालचें.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
It is now evident that drugs were indeed in circulation at St. Xavier's College. And now, due to this incident, Director of Higher Education has advised teachers in all educational institutions to remain vigilant for such kind of activities. He also said that ID cards should be made compulsory to the students.
The anti-narcotics cell had arrested Bahadur Singh, who used to work as a watchman at St. Xavier's College at Mapsa. He was caught with 850 grams of charas in his possession. This incident had exposed the hidden use of drugs in colleges. Educationists have expressed their shock over this incident. Director of Higher Education Bhaskar Naik has expressed grave concern over the issue.
Xavier's कॉलेजाक जी ड्रग्साची जी केस जाल्या म्हजे कोतान इट इज एन आयसोलेटेड केस. इट इज अ व्हेरी खूब वायट गजाली. अशा प्रकारची कितेंय जर गजाली जर घडटा तसो जर अंदुकशी सुद्दां जर कल्पना आसली जायत जाल्यार द कॉलेज इन्स्टिट्यूशनाची हेड्स ऑफ दीस इन्स्टिट्यूशन, द टिचर्स ऑफ दीस इन्स्टिट्यूशन नीड टू बी एक्स्ट्रा विजिलंट अशें म्हाका दिसता. ड्रग पेडलर्स किंवा अशा प्रकारचे एखादो एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट जर कॉलेजाच्या प्राकारान येवन अश्यो जर गजाली जर करता जाल्यार त्यो स्टॉप करपाक एकमेव मार्ग म्हणजे कॉलेजाची जी पळय सेक्युरिटी सिस्टम आसता ही सेक्युरिटी सिस्टम बरीच टायटन करची पडटली. आयडेंटिटी कार्ड आसली बगर भुरग्यांक भितर एलाव करनात. दॅट मिन्स आयडेंटिटी कार्ड नाशिल्लो मनीस किंवा ज्याची आयडेंटिटी पटोवपाक जायना अशा मनशाक कॉलेजाक एंट्री ना. कांय कॉलेजी अशी आसात. म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या सगळ्या कॉलेजांनी ही सिस्टम फॉलो करची पडटली. हायर एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट इन इट्स ओन वे will take whatever precautionary measures that are required.
Our reporter Mayur Naik.
Late night studies and early wake-ups, pressure and curiosity about the question paper. HSSC exams have commenced from Saturday in 13 centres across the state. 13,756 students have appeared for this exam, which can determine their career.
The days of pressure and hard work are almost over. HSSC examinations have started. Examination is being conducted at 13 centres in Goa. 13,756 students will be answering the HSSC exams this year. Although CET has decreased the importance of these exams to some extent, HSSC still remains a prominent exam in one's educational career. Conductor of HSSC exam for Panji Center, Walter Cabral, gave us more detail.
पणजे 1390 स्टुडंट्स आहा आनी 4 स्ट्रीम आसा म्हणजे आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स, सायन्स आनी वोकेशनल स्ट्रीम. आयज स्टार्ट जाता आनी 30 तारखेर काबार जाता. 10 कॉमर्स जाता आनी 1 काबार जाता. 3 वरांचे पेपर, 100 मार्क्साचे पेपर. वोकेशनल सब्जेक्ट 2 वरांचे पेपर. आनी आमी जायते डिफिकल्टी आसली आमची सिटींग लागून त्यो आमी हे पाटी सॉर्ट आउट करून सगळे 6 सेंटरांनी भुरग्यांक बसयल्या. शिफ्टिंग करून नासतना दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू मूव फ्रॉम वन सेंटर टू अनदर सेंटर फॉर द पेपर्स. दे आर गोइंग टू आन्सर इन द सेम इन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स.
तूं कसो केलो पेपर?
म्हाका सामको इजी आशिल्लो. चड व्हडलो खास
टायम कमी पडलो काय?
ना, सारको पावलो टायम.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.